Welcome to Ask and Learn.
So here our domain is restricted to x cannot equal 2 because of the denominator cannot equal 2. And now we have intercepts at 0, negative 1/2. And we have two more at approximately negative 0.20 and 2.70. Symmetry none. Asymptotes, we have a vertical one. As we said previously, denominator can't be 0, so we have a vertical one at x equals 2. And we do have a slant asymptote. Let's solve for that using polynomial division. So I'm going to reorder this just so that I have my highest terms in the beginning and my lowest terms at the end. So this is my numerator reordered. Okay, that's inside the division sign. And then x minus 2, my denominator on the outside. So x into negative 2x squared, negative 2x. Negative 2x times x would normally be negative 2x squared, but we're going to change the sign to cancel the first term, 2x squared. Same goes here. All right, next term, negative 4x, we change the sign, and we're going to bring down the 1. Cancel. We're left with x plus 1. All right, x into x plus 1. 1 times x, change the sign, cancel. All right, we can no longer continue polynomial division because this has the higher power than here. So this, my quotient, is my slant asymptote. And now I'm going to look for the first derivative test in order to see increasing, decreasing intervals. So I solve for y prime using the quotient rule. So negative 2x squared plus 8x minus 11 all over the denominator squared. Set that equal to 0. This is inconclusive. And you'll see that the second derivative is also very tricky. So in this case, we can just look at the asymptotes to help us graph, and they really do help. So we have one at x equals 2. So let's say this is 2. This is just a rough sketch. Right, now let's sketch in negative 2x plus 1. So let's say this is about 1. Just a rough sketch, negative 2x plus 1. All right. And now we can graph our intercepts. 0, negative 1/2 would be, let's say this is 1. So this would be 0, negative 1/2. Okay. And it's going to approach but never touch. Likewise, it's gonna approach but never touch. And over here, well, we have another intercept. We have an intercept at, we already got this one, we got this one. So this is about negative 0.020. It's about here. We already got that, and then we have 2.70. So 2.70, I'm gonna say it's about here. And we know it's going to approach but not touch the asymptotes. So it has to look something like this.